Hey guys, it's JetRex103 here, and today I'm doing some Fortnite. Fortnite is a really popular game right now. So I have not played on computer yet. I play on Xbox. So as you can see, nothing on there. Locker, nothing on here. Challenges, Battle Pass, everything like this. So if I do bad, I'm sorry. There's also Save the World, and that's free, so I could do that later. Change mode. Blitz. Faster storms, more loot, exciting finishes. Nah. I'm just gonna do solo as my first match. And I'll let you know when the match starts, guys. Okay, it looks like I just found myself a match. So yeah, I just started. I haven't done one thing on this. I haven't played. My dad has. Just to make sure though. Okay. WASD is normal. Okay, that's the shoot. And it's 2 for that. Q to exit. Okay. Just let you know, yeah, I'm very new, haven't started on here. I'm gonna go to Pleasant. Whoa. No. It's spacebar. Actually, you know what? I'm heading over here. Whoa. Lag. Okay. Storm is forming. Got it. I just need to go loot a house. Ooh, chest. See that over there, guys? Right here. Let's grab this. Okay. Just as I thought. Now, how do I aim is what I want to know. Okay, this is to aim. Definitely hear something going on. Okay, I got him. I didn't get him down, but I know I hit him. Okay. Whoa. He's got me. Whoa. Whoa. Where is he? Okay. So far, so good. 57 people. Okay. No! I ran out. Return to lobby. That was a good first match. I came in 50 something. Just at 10 minutes. Okay. I kind of want to try this. Blitz. I think this is one of those game modes that isn't going to stay forever. But if it does, then I don't know what's going to happen. Might do some save the world on this as well. So now if we go to profile, nothing. I've gotten in top 12 on Xbox like twice on Duo. But hey, that's rare. I barely ever. I'm just so happy that I can be recording this for you guys and everything, cause I wasn't able to before. I finally got this on computer. Have no idea why it's so windy. Oh gosh, is the storm coming in already? Okay. Storm seems to be heading in already. Yeah, it's headed. I feel like I'm gonna stay here. I stole my shrinking. Yeah, there's somebody else here too. How? Okay, as I can see here, Blitz is crazy. Could have sworn I clicked return to lobby. Okay, I freaked out. Yeah, I don't think Blitz is gonna be in normal. Time played. I played for a few minutes. That just played. Yeah, one match, 0 minutes, 0. Technical difficulties. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back, everybody. Bus is gonna drop. I see it. Yeah, storm comes in quick, so I'm gonna find somewhere that's in. So I guess grassy grove would be good. You know, who cares? Just gonna head. Have no idea what that was. Okay. I'm heading towards... Nope. Oh, nice. 13 bullets. I don't know what that noise is. How do you crouch? This mode though. Shift? Yeah. It's gotta be shift. No, shift is a sprint. I'm gonna have to look up all these controls. Whoa! No, I'm down. Who got me? Who in the world got me? That was dumb. I'll do one more. One solo match. Okay, I'm back. I'm on a solo, as you can see. It doesn't look like anybody's joining. There's 95 people in total. I need to get my aim on. That aim. Okay. See if this was a real match, they would be dead. Let me. The buses are here. No, you gonna kill everybody. Okay. I'm gonna go for Pleasant. Okay. Now. Where is it? Going in the wrong direction. It's this way. Yee. This one? Yeah, this is Pleasant then. I think it is. Yep. I'm in it. Whoa! Oh. Whoa! No! Whoa, 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 whoa! It... I hope you've all enjoyed, guys, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!